Hello everybody, it's Nicole over at the Villas at Timber Run here in Greenfield. Just wanted to send over a quick video to everyone to let you know some of the exciting things that we have going on here at Timber Run. February is off to an awesome start. We've got a great new year planned out and just wanted to fill in some details with you guys. We've got two beautiful showcase homes now available and 100% move-in ready. One of them is a Canterbury with a gorgeous four-season sunroom veranda, a den. It's got some nice granite countertops and cherry cabinets. And we also have an Arboretta that just became move-in ready as well, with hardwood floors and some cherry cabinets and ceiling fans throughout. It's a great time to come check out the community. We have all 4 floor plans available to tour. This does not happen very often, so I really encourage everyone to get out and come check those out before they get sold. So come on out as soon as possible. We can show you around. Great time to tour. We've got some exciting events coming up, so be sure to stay tuned on our Facebook page and our website. Also heard some very encouraging news that home sales have been up 52% in Hancock County since January. So we are so excited. Definitely seeing some of those results here at Timber Run. We've had a lot of people in and would love to have you out. So come on out. We are open 7 days a week now. We'd be happy to show you around, answer any questions you have, and help you find your dream home. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.